To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Pull the housing to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.